Hello everybody, I am just waiting for the computer. Can you all see the screen? Can you all listen? Can you put your cell phones in silence please? There should be a handout going around too. Okay, let's get started. So, today I want to look at the future of journalism. I will allow time for questions or comments at the end of this presentation. So, I would like to begin by thinking about one question. What will journalism be able to do in the future? For example, we already have many digital technologies, which is great help for cyber journalism. As you will see in the slides, there are many possibilities too. There are many digital media and a lot of them update information all the moments, all the days. So, as you can see, technology could have a very important impact on journalism. I think that in 100 years, maybe the printed media will disappear, but we will have many more things, like we will have many more digital advance, and we will have many digital technology, multimedia technology. That is better. So, anyway, that's all I have time for. So, I will better stop there. Does anyone have any question or comment for me? If you are interested in reading more, you might want to check some articles that I have in my blog. I will just conclude by saying thank you. Thank you for listening.